海淀高小的学生热情的唱歌欢迎第4届亚洲报道大会来到台南市，由台南市政府农业局长李建宇代表市长黄伟体欢迎。第一站来到真古的凉亭，学生热情的送着卡片，场面相当温馨。
The people have been the best. I think that's been the biggest takeaway is just meeting the people. They've been so generous, so kind, and so thoughtful to make this whole trip a great success. The environment of Taiwan, from the mountains that we were at, exploring up there and seeing the beautiful forests, to down here on this lovely greenway, I can see that people really care about the environment and what it means to them and how much they love this country and want to protect the natural spaces that they have. And I think that speaks well to me because that's what my organization does in Canada. We want to protect the environment, and I see a lot of synergy between those two thoughts.
亚洲报道大会邀请来自世界各国介意健行的朋友，去熟悉不同国家的报道风景，体验当地的文化，享用当地的美食。这办由台南社区大学台港分校执行长吴茂成陪同，参访山海圳国家离岛。
咱用3天的时间陪伴这国际朋友对讨位的到闸门水库，这条步道总共13单位，甲咱地方大港地方咱大庙咱社区大学大港分校，咱海淀国小小大港安尼公司合力做伙来拍拼这条山海圳国家列岛，对大港到玉山安尼总共177公里，对海到东北第一个方，伊是见证咱台湾台湾人各界做伙拍拼的一个代表咱的台湾文化路径，嘛是一个生物多样性的一条绿道。咱这边有机会，互咱来自加拿大美国、匈牙利蒙古。还有澳洲等等日本这个国际步道的这个组织甲专家学者做伙来参访了解。
希望借着这摆亚洲报道大会，将台南的美食、风景以及文化等等，带转去分享给各国的朋友。也希望山海圳离岛将来会当甲加拿大等各国的报道结盟，同时加强各国人民之间的交流以及文化的互动。台南新闻杨顺怀采访报道。